Hi everyone, I'm Miss Mary. I'm the high school registrar here in the counseling office, and I'm responsible for your schedules, unfortunately, and your transcripts and records and grades. So if you have a problem with your transcript and records, you should always come see me, address the issue with me early on. And these are our counseling appointment books. If you'd like to make an appointment with Miss Schaefer or Miss Nolan, please come in a day before to make the appointment, and I will be sure to write a slip and place it in the mailbox. If you make an appointment on the same day, be sure to see me so I can give you the counseling slip.
Hi guys, Miss Nolan here. We want to point out a couple of the ways we use to communicate information from the counseling office. First, Instagram. Next, Facebook. Google Classroom. YouTube. Oh, WhatsApp. We've got lots of ways to give you information, so make sure you check them out.
Hey guys, we just wanted to let you know as well that we're not here just for college applications, which we of course help you with, but we're also both trained counselors, so we can help you with anything, any problems that you have, anything you're dealing with your family, with your friends, with your teachers, whatever it may be, feeling depressed, feeling anxious, we're here to help you. Anything you say in our office will be held in confidence, meaning that we're not going to tell anyone what you say. There's a few exceptions to that. If you're going to hurt someone, we gotta go warn them. If you are hurting yourself, we do have to stop you. And if someone is hurting you, we're gonna have to stop them as well. So everything else is kept confidential, so you can come in, we've heard everything, just come in and let us help you with your issues.
Okay, and everyone, I just have one thing I need to let you know. I'm very picky about this part. I have so much confidential stuff on my desk that involves students. So I have an imaginary bubble that starts over here. So please respect the bubble. Miss Schaefer, you're in my bubble.